Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your monthly statement with PNC Bank, full guide step by step clearly. To verify your monthly statement with PNC Bank, begin by logging into your PNC online banking account. Visit the official PNC Bank website or open the PNC mobile app. Enter your user ID and password in the designated fields. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the dashboard. Select the account for which you want to verify the monthly statement. Look for the option labeled Statements or Documents. Click on this option to access your statements. Find the month you wish to verify in the list of available statements. Select the statement to open it. Review the transactions listed in your statement carefully. Check for accuracy by comparing the transactions with your personal records. Pay attention to any fees or charges that may appear. Ensure that all deposits and withdrawals are correctly recorded. If you notice any discrepancies, make a note to follow up. After verifying the information, you may download or print the statement for your records. To save a copy, click on the download button or icon. Choose your preferred file format, such as PDF. Once the file is downloaded, store it in a safe location on your device. Return to the Statements section to ensure you've reviewed the correct months for all your accounts. If you have questions or require assistance, use the Help or Contact Us option for support. Remember to log out of your account once you have completed your verification process. This ensures your account remains secure. By following these steps, you will effectively verify your monthly statement with PNC Bank. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records. Regular statement verification helps you stay informed about your account activity. Taking the time to cross-check your statement will also assist in identifying any potential issues early. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.